Hello, good morning children. Children, today we are going to learn the sound of a digraph. Digraph means two letter makes one sound. Two letter makes one sound and the letters are N and G and the sound is mm. Now children, we'll do revision of few sounds. Sound of letter I is E, E. Sound of digraph AI is I, I. Sound of digraph OA is O, O. Sound of digraph EE is E, E. Sound of letter W is W, W. Sound of letter Z is Z, Z. Now children, we'll sing a song. If you're strong and you know it, say If you're strong and you know it, say If you're strong and you know it and you really want to show it, say If you're strong and you know it, say Now children, I will repeat the song again. If you're strong and you know it, say If you're strong and you know it, say If you're strong and you know it and you really want to show it, say If you're strong and you know it, say Now children, I will say few words on sound. King, king, ring, ring, sing, sing, song, song, long, long, strong, strong, swing, swing, fang, fang, bang, bang, ding, ding, string, string. Now children, we'll do an activity from the book Creative Beginning Language Skills. Worksheet number 15, topic Words with sound. Color each object that has sound in the word and trace them. Children, which object is this? Ring. Ring has sound. So we will color this ring. Children, now we'll trace this word R, I, N, G. Ring, ring. Children, which picture is this? Goat. Goat is not having sound, so we will not color it. Tie. Tie is also not having sound, so we will not color it. Children, which picture is this? King. King is having sound, so we will color this king. Now we'll trace king. K I N G. King. King. Now children, which picture is this? String. String is also having sound word. So we will color this string with the black color. Now we'll trace S T R I N G. String. String. Train. Train is not having sound, so we will not color it. Children, repeat after me sound words. Ring. Ring. King. King. String. String. Now children, we'll move to worksheet number 16. Topic words with sound. Read each word and match to the correct picture. Now we have to read the words and match with the correct picture. Ring. Ring. Children, ring will match with this. Ring. Children, use your pencil to match. Now wing. Wing. Here is wing, so we will match this wing. Okay children, now string. Where is the picture of string? Here. You have to match this. Sing. You have to match here. In this way you have to do this worksheet. Children, watch this video and learn sound. Thank you children.